Motorcycle safety tips. Helmets save lives. Wearing a helmet reduces the risk of fatal head injuries. Make sure yours fits snugly and meets safety standards. Be seen. Be safe. A lot of motorcycle accidents happen because drivers didn't see the rider. Wear reflective gear and keep your headlights on, even during the day. Cornering correctly. Most motorcycle accidents happen in curves. Slow down before entering and look where you want to go, not where you're afraid to crash. Check your tires. Worn-out tires are a leading cause of motorcycle crashes. Inspect the tread and pressure before every ride.